In the 2.5 years it has existed, the Inwood Butterfly Sanctuary has already instilled a sense of wonder in hundreds of people. This community garden empowers caregivers and their young children to beautify their neighborhood, witness the miracle of metamorphosis, restore the monarch butterfly's habitat, and make a difference. Our Adopt a Caterpillar program offers a unique opportunity for very young children to care for a monarch butterfly through its entire life cycle, fostering empathy, curiosity, and responsibility. With the Fuel Grant, we can expand this program to daycares, preschools, and community centers in Washington Heights, University Heights, and other neighborhoods that can more easily be accessed by low-income families. We can also set up butterfly way stations in nearby parks and public green areas and host free sessions where children can interact with the caterpillars and butterflies.